Crypto bros, there is a lot of new people joining the market now, and a lot of people don't know how to operate, how to trade, how to use exchanges, how to use decentralized exchanges, centralized exchanges. So this video is a full tutorial on how to trade on PrimeXBT. I'm gonna show you step by step how to deposit, how to register, how to use derivatives, how to basically trade on PrimeXBT, because market is going crazy. We are at $56,000. Right, the highest level since almost 2 years. And look, if you are not gonna take advantage of what's going on the market, then there's no hope for you. Okay, this is probably the last moment to jump on before the retail money comes. The retail money will probably come when there is a new all-time high on Bitcoin. So this is probably will be within a couple months, and you don't want to be late. You want to take advantage. At least this is what I do. I've been always showing you what I do here on the channel. So before we start, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is only for educational and entertaining purposes. Always do your own research. You are not a financial advisor. I just show you what I do. And it's been going pretty well recently, and also within the last 2 years. But there also been some mistakes, of course. So look, PrimeXBT. Okay, the first thing that you want to do, register with my link. The reason for registering with my link, you get several bonuses. So anyway, if you're willing to trade, why don't you use the bonus? And it's gonna cost you less to trade on PrimeXBT. Look, funds received, I just deposited 8,000 USDT to show you how to trade here. So first of all, if you're gonna deposit USDT, you should already know how to do it. This is very simple. You basically go in here into your account, click deposit. It's gonna show you basically your wallet address, and you wanna transfer your funds in here, the transfer that you wanna trade with. Okay, do not transfer all of your funds into centralized exchanges. Okay, keep your funds into safe cold wallets or hot wallets, whatever you think is good. So regarding the trading, let's say you've already deposited, let's say you've already registered with my link, or let's say you've already had your account before. Then what you want to do, once again, transfer your funds from your wallet into the crypto futures, and boom, it's done. It's that simple. The biggest advantage of PrimeXBT is that you have global markets, and there is different pairs on PrimeXBT. You have BTC, but if you go here into the trading section, you can see BTC, Euro, Dollar, S&P 500. You have forex market, you have indexes, so there is a lot of trading opportunities. No matter if you're a crypto trader or if you're an indexes trader or a forex trader, from all of those, I would choose crypto 100%, because as you know, crypto is the smallest market comparing to indexes, comparing to stock, comparing to forex especially, which is the biggest market in the world. Well, you cannot compete in forex with the biggest funds in the world. In crypto, you still can, because crypto is way smaller than the traditional markets. So coming back to BTC, as you can see, you can change between different time frames. For complete beginners, if you're not familiar with it, 1 hour means one candle is 1 hour. Okay, so changing it to 5 minutes, it means that one candle is 5 minutes. Very, very simple. 1D, one candle is 1 day. You can change between different views here, candles, lines, bars. So now that we transferred funds, as I showed you before, from your main wallet into crypto futures, what you want to do is scroll down here. You can see basically crypto futures. They're gonna click trade, and it gets you to the crypto futures section. So it's very, very simple. You can go through the tutorial, but basically the most important things here, of course, you have the chart. Of course, you can change between different coins. And when I showed you PrimeXBT, I think a year ago, there was none of these altcoins here available to trade. So they've added all these pairs, and let's say you want to trade XRP, you have it here. Let's say you want to trade Polkadot, you have it here. Let's say Ethereum, of course, you have it here. Let's focus now on BTC. So here's the main chart from Trading Views. It's as always, you can basically put your analysis here, or select trend lines, or basically measure the pumps, etc. You have the current price, 24 hours highest price, 24-hour lowest price. As you can see, in the last 24 hours, we just pumped, what is it, like $7,000. So the market is very hot, is crazy. Yeah, so once again, if you're not on the market, don't know what you're doing here. Margin type, we're gonna put isolated, and we're gonna put the leverage way smaller. We're gonna start with 10x. The reason for it, if you're not experienced trader, using a big leverage is very, very risky. Okay, so if you're just starting, start with a smaller leverage, or I even encourage you to start with spot. So there are different options to open positions. Let's say you're willing to open a limit order. So basically, limit order is a level on the price that you set, and once price hits this level, then your position is gonna open. So let's say you wanna open a long position, but only when Bitcoin hits $50,000. Okay, so you basically put that you want to buy 0.2 Bitcoin at $50,000, a sufficient free margin. So let's say if we're gonna increase the leverage, which well, I don't encourage you to do, but as for now I'm gonna do it just to show you. And as you can see in our orders, there is a 0.2 BTC that is going to be open if Bitcoin hits $50,000. Okay, so if we zoom out a little bit, you can see the level here, buy limit 0.2 BTC. So if price would drop now to $50,000, the order would be filled and my position would be open. So it would automatically buy. So that was it about the limit order. Now coming back to market order, look, let's say you're willing to short the market. We just pumped significantly. Let's say you want to short the market. So very easy. Let's say it's 0.1 BTC, sell the market. And as you can see, market order filled, sell 0.1 BTC. In your positions, you can see unrealized profit, ROE, the market price, liquidation price, which is basically price that will liquidate complete your position, entry price, and the amount, of course, the margin ratio 39% right now. We're gonna close the position. That was just to show you. That's pretty much it. There's a lot of stuff that I still want to tell you about regarding PrimeXBT, but this I wanted to do as a quick introduction for you guys. There's a lot of new people joining the market, so I hope it helped. Look, there is copy trading, a little bit more advanced thing, but still, as you can see, gives crazy big opportunities, crazy big returns, contests, and other stuff. So I'll keep you updated with everything with PrimeXBT. Thank you so much.